Let's look at 20 and 4/10 minus 16 and 5/10. I'll represent 20 and 4/10 using two large cubes for the tens. There are 0 ones, so 0 flats, and I'll use 4 rods for the 4/10. To subtract 16 and 5/10, I'll need to remove 1 large cube, 6 flats, and 5 rods. Here's where regrouping comes in, and I'll connect it directly to the written method. In the tenths place, I have 4/10 but need to subtract 5/10. That means I need to regroup. I'll regroup 1 flat, or 1, into 10/10. But since there are no ones, I'll first regroup 1 10 into 10 ones. Then I'll regroup one of those ones into 10/10. Now I have 14/10. I'll subtract 5/10, leaving 9. In the ones place, there are 9 ones left after regrouping. I'll subtract 6 ones, leaving 3. In the tens place, I'll subtract 1 10, leaving 0 tens. Remaining, there are 3 ones and 9 tenths. The result is 3 and 9 tenths. So 20 and 4/10 minus 16 and 5/10 equals 3 and 9/10. And if you'd like even more examples to practice with, I have a practice video set that goes along with this instructional video. The details are in the description below.